There we go. Right trigger to shoot, left trigger for an ability, and the bumpers for an ability. Oh, hey. Look at that and pick an equipment.
This thing right here.
Yeah, the orange. You move with the left stick in the menu. Oh, nice. That sucks things in.
It's like
It
Kirby.
should be, yeah, like Kirby. Ah, so here I got a fuel ray from your drop pod, right? This I need to hold on to so I can help you unlock the character.
Just got pushed off.
Oh, well, you'll respawn somewhere. Oh, there you are.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. So you can ping stuff by clicking the right stick. See? And if your thing is on an objective, you can mark the objective like a loot box or enemies. God, maybe I shouldn't have. Elite Slayer. Ooh, your health. You need some health stuff.
Yeah, I need to run.
Remember, your left trigger is a grenade that stuns. Oh god. Things in the air. Oh wait, you know your left trigger is the O. It was
How
your.
do I?
There's no heal button. It's just you find stuff and it heals you.
Okay. I need to
Yeah.
get used to it. It's gonna be a while before I get used to it.
That's fine. I forgot I can pick up 2 things as this character. Like, the orange thing you got, I can pick up 2 things.
Oh, cool. That's cool.
Maybe I should turn off the double enemies thing.
Probably, I would say.
Sticky keys!
I turned this off. Why does it hate so? It's only when I hold the shift button for a certain amount of time will sticky keys turn on.
When you hold it?
Yeah, if I keep holding the shift button, then sticky keys appear. But I tapped it multiple times and it didn't appear, so I don't know what's going on.
Actually, I don't know if this, what I'm doing here with your drop pod's battery pack, I don't know if I was going to unlock it for you, but I'm going to try for you. Because it gives a very unique character.
So I don't know how to turn off sticky keys. I keep clicking no, but it won't let me. But I did figure out a way to turn off the sound.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, did you see that? Just plowed through 4 of them in a row.
I also just turned off the notification for sticky keys because it still keeps popping up. So I don't know if it's gonna automatically. I don't know. Are you still speaking? I don't.
No, I'm just trying to focus while looting.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's still uneasy, but like, you know, as per evidence, it's kind of difficult. Yeah. But with the choose your own items, it's like very ideal. Because I got an item called Razor Wire, which means when I'm damaged, it does like a little blip of damage to nearby enemies. Also got an item called a Ukulele, which bounces the same amount of damage to different enemies nearby. Like if I do like 25 damage, it'll do 25 damage to a certain amount of enemies nearby.
Okay. Oh, hey, are you also recording the audio for this? Because I saw previous videos, which you said you forgot to record the audio for.
Oh, you saw that video?
Shit, but then I saw you mention how you forgot the audio
Well,
recording.
yeah, I put that in the title. I was like,
I watched a
oh,
little
you
bit
mean
of
you
it.
want me to check? No,
Yeah.
it's active, both microphone and desktop.
I was mostly trying to make fun of you a little bit right now.
That's fine.
I really can't wait to get my own thing of headphones because I don't think these headphones are too compatible.
They're not great.
When you speak, there's a bit of static.
A bit static.
Just occasional, not static, but you know how when you're talking on the phone and someone's voice turns kind of staticky? Like you can hear
Oh,
them
like there's a
clearly.
little bit like digital interference. Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, like
The same
crackles.
same thing. Same thing for. I have the same thing on your
My mic as well, right? Like
yeah
my
yeah
audio. Yeah,
yeah.
it might be my laptop, honestly.
Ah, don't sweat it. Speaking of so much stuff. Now, granted, it would be like fair to share half the stuff with you, but you know,
It's cool.
the
I don't think I'll
the
play
next
this game.
huh?
I don't think I'll be able to play this game properly, mostly because again I don't have energy for pretty much anything most days.
Yeah, I know. You're not gonna play the game by yourself, right? Is that what you mean?
Probably try to play a few games by myself to get used to it,
I mean,
but
yeah.
I don't feel like every day or maybe once every few days or once a week or so.
I mean, it's not like you have to play constantly every day.
And those, as much as
Boss
I
time.
love the games with daily stuff, they get exhausting after a while. This becomes more of a chore than the game's like fun. Also, these headphones are they just keep slipping off me a bit.
You have a small head.
I have a small.
You cut out? The mic just pulled out, I think.
I have a small. I was saying like I have a small everything. Like I'm short. I have small hands. I have small feet. I have small fingers.
Small.
This small.
SMOL.
Yeah. I don't mind. It's just inconvenient some days. Like when I was trying to reach up hot on the top of the shelves, I couldn't reach because I wanted to see if it had my metal cooking seats. I don't know if they're up there or not. I can't find out, and I can't.
Oh god. Just got whacked by something, or sent in the air by something. To the next area, and you'll be alive. Oh no, there's a thingy! Damn it! I saw a fucking book.
I'm definitely falling down the VTuber hole. Like I'm watching a lot of clips.
There you are.
Stuff.
Hi.
Oh, hey, I'm back.
Yeah, I told you you'd be alive. So now we got 4 turrets and a drone with us for a little bit of defense, but they're not all over the map. So
So cool. Well, that should be
see
for
that
free.
I can ping that and it tells you the cost. Oh, big guy. So I think yeah, your left trigger does a little energy beam. So you want to aim that straight at people or enemies. I think it's your left bumper is the slide or the roll.
For
Yeah, that's the
Yep.
roll. That's your evade move. You want to use that as often as possible. And then the right bumper is that's the fast shoot, right?
I accidentally shot you. I don't think it hurt you though.
No, not at all. Here, grab that. Grab the teddy bear. That has that gives you a chance to avoid damage. Tough times. Oh, shoot that blue one. Yeah, there you go. You're getting it. Now come on, time to explore. We can't just stay here and around one empty chest.
That's fair.
Over here is another turret. Be sure to use your roll to get around faster, because that helps. Oh, I remember. There's like a thing you can do. Here, come here. Grab this. I know there's like a little achievement thing. Come with me. This side. Oh my god. Okay, so come with me over here to the edge. You see these branches off the edge? There's a little cliff side on the ground under the edge over here. And you have to like hug the wall while you're falling. So like follow me. Lean back slightly and then forward as much as you can. Yeah, there you go. Come down here. Look at this shit.
This is cool.
This is creepy, huh?
I like this place.
So you keep falling all the way down here, right? And you keep going. And eventually there will be a hole in the ground, so try not to fall in it. There will be some sort of thing here that you have to shoot. I think that. There you go.
Hey, an achievement.
That should give you access to a red item. Then you just fall back in here and go back, teleports you back up. It's a special currency that you use for either teleporting to a certain area or teleporting and buying stuff in that certain area. They're like altars all over the map. Well, all over all the maps. And they have like they cost 1 point, so
Cool.
here, buy this. Ooh, green item. Nice. You want a gunner drone to keep you company?
Sure.
Yeah, what's up, Ender? Come on.
Yeah.
You gotta buy the drone, Emma. It's right there, yeah.
Okay, I have a little buddy.
Yeah, there you do. Another white thing for you. And I accidentally bought a healing drone you could have used. I think it just goes to either of us, the drones, the healing drones. Why did I sprint there? I usually find, oh, be careful with those bells. They throw heavy rocks at you. I usually try to find the teleporter by looking in the air, and there are like these red particles in the air. Do you see them?
I
Over here.
don't.
Like you see up there, you see like orange particles.
Oh yeah, I see the particles.
That's usually how I find it. Here, grab this and grab the seed. Should be down the middle one. So the seed, yeah, the blue one. Yeah, the seed should just heal you every time you hit something with your attacks. Another white thing for you. You see it?
Yeah, I see it. I was trying to get away from it. Oh, what should I get? Okay.
Come up this pillar up here. Careful with those guys. They hit you. They set you on fire. As evidenced by how they're on fire.
Makes sense. I activate this teleporter?
One moment. Let's just make sure we got a lot of stuff. I think we're good. You can hit it if you want. Go up to it and press X. There you go.
The hell?
Emma, Andrew's asking if you want anything from Caesars.
No, not really.
She said no, not really.
No.
Quiet. Oh, behind the pillar, behind the pillar. Those jellyfish explode and you need something in between you and them. That and they shoot like giant balls you can destroy. Yeah, should be fine. See, like right now. Oh, there it goes. It's dead. Now, do you want a yellow one, which is a boss item, or do you want the green one?
I'll take the.
$10.
I'll take the green.
All right, I'll grab this empathy cores, which gives me 2 little drone buddies. Actually 4 because
Oh,
the
you
double
play with
enemies. Sorry, what happened?
I got
Oh.
a ukulele.
Nice.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Electricity and their music was electric, or so it says. Yeah, the little drones I got, there's supposed to be 2 of them, but because of the double enemies, there's 4 of them.
Oh, that's cool.
Look at them. They're like the eyeballs from Terraria, right? Right?
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Didn't you have an eyeball as a pet in Terraria?
Yeah, I do. You can even stand on them too. Oh, we can teleport now. You ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I mean, one of us has to press it. Oh, there you go. Advancement. What was that for?
I completed something.
I mean, I know, but did you read what it says?
I was gonna read it. Like, I was gonna read it, but I got.
Oh, we're in the Scorched Acres. Okay. I can't hear you.
I was gonna read it, but I got distracted. But I did see like a little bullet achievement icon. Can you not hear me still?
I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you. The icon means you've earned an item to use when you're playing by yourself. Like, you know. Up here, there are some items. Down there are some boxes. And my drones are just going after things. Ooh, see that green thing over there? Shoot it. Oh, there are fucking beetle guards all around us. Where are you? I can't hear you. Are you pressing the button? Yeah, now we're gonna split stuff evenly, because I let you have more stuff on the last one. But you know, just call dibs on what you want. Are you good? I can't hear you in Discord. Emma.
Not used to talking constantly and then also having to hold something with my right hand. Because I'm holding shift with my right finger.
Yeah, I'm sure the voice activated doesn't work at all. I'm sure you can
Try that.
Here, you can. Yeah, you can change it. I'll protect you. Just Alt tab over to Discord and change it.
It's working?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
So you're just talking now? It's activated?
Yeah, it's just talk now.
Yeah, I hear you. You have a little bit of a delay. Like, oh, I hate these guys.
Wait.
Roll,
Guys.
roll. You heard those gunshots?
My audio is set to the lowest possible thing.
Okay, well, did you see those like bullets flying past you?
Yeah.
Yeah, those you want to roll out of it as soon as possible, because those enemies just keep going and going. That rusted key is for a lockbox. It get used when you find a lockbox and open it.
Cool.
It quite literally uses the item. So I had the misconception where I was like, oh, if I just get a bunch of keys, like I'll just keep opening boxes for free. And it's like, no, it uses the key, you dingus. It's like, oh, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
Just head down and around. I get a little bit faster.
Okay. Yeah, because I got
You got the energy drink?
this item. Yeah, I have energy drink. So I move a little bit faster
there's
now.
like, you can go that way and then go straight to like the next area. Or you can head down here and over here and check if there are boxes like on this path or down the down path.
Okay. Let me turn my volume down a little, and my headphones are falling over my eyes. Hold on. Yay, defeat this enemy with a little bit of ease. I still have the box, like the... Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, because I was so confused.
Which box?
The little... Kirby box. Black hole.
Kirby. Oh yeah, you can just use it whenever and you press Y for that.
Kinda nice having a little box buddy though.
Yeah, well I mean, yeah.
I know I have to use them, but still.
I have a green
Hey, I see
item. I have a green item for you over here.
Oh, okay, cool.
Just when you get over here. It is good to get the glasses and the crowbars from the white items. You only need 10 glasses because it gives 10% critical chance. Ooh, nice. Just killed all those enemies. And there are more next to you. Leapaton Daisy. That heals during the portal event and only during the portal event.
Oh, okay. It looked pretty, so I
That's
just picked it up.
I can give you a general idea of what items do.
Cool.
You step into that geyser to come over here.
Yee.
These you sacrifice health for money. I don't recommend it. But I can do it.
Okay. Oh, shoot, something's attacking me.
Ah, it's a beetle guard. Bless you. And just run around, find boxes on the ground, and the big boxes, like this one, have a chance to give a red item. You're not with me, but you can see it, right?
I can see you at the distance.
Yeah, that's big boxes. That's a large chest. Have a chance to give red items. Mostly they give greens.
Hello.
Hi.
Big red thing, the enemy here. No.
The big red thing? No, I think that's my guy.
Oh, okay.
Talking about this guy, right?
Yeah.
That guy, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah. It highlighted as.
That's because I pinged him.
Oh, okay. Cool. What the heck? Where'd you come from?
The floor. Looks like the portal is back up there. Let me check over here. You can head back up if you want.
Okay.
Just need one more pair of glasses, and then I can 100% critical and since I have a scythe item, it heals me with critical hits. So I'll constantly be healing. Are you stuck down here? Oh no, there's an item. Yeah.
More like I'm lost. I have bad sense of
Yeah, you
direction.
haven't played at all as well.
And just like in reality, in any games I play,
Okay.
I have a bad sense of direction, so I never know where I'm going.
Ooh, I can use this. Because I have two equipment spaces.
Mhm.
Oh, if we get the hell level, I think I can get you the thing because I still have the item from your drop pod. I don't know if that unlocks it for you though. It should. Alright, cross the bridge over here. Oh no, wait, it's right here. Well, across the bridge has more stuff, I assume. Ooh, big chest.
Should I activate the teleporter or
No,
not
no,
yet?
no, 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 no.
Okay.
Come here.
Is that falling?
Get that green. I do recommend getting the transfusion. It looks like a red vial. It gives you 1 point of health for every enemy you kill, but only up to 100.
My foot fell asleep because I was sitting partially on it.
Your foot fell asleep.
Yeah, I was like sitting partially on it.
Head back to the
I'm sitting-
portal. It's not
sitting
safe over here.
Oh hi.
Now it's safe.
I was sitting crisscross applesauce, and so I was sitting on my foot.
And that's what led it to fall asleep, right?
It's like half numb.
Come to me.
Okay.
I have a little thingy to show you. There's a spaceship. Wait,
I'm all geared up.
can you not see this?
No.
There's a thing. You see me standing on it?
You're standing on invisible.
I guess that's something you can't see then. There's a spaceship there.
Oh, cool. Well,
Alright, let's go back to the portal then. Oh wait, I think there's things on this side. Like there's a little down path right here. I don't see it. No, there's nothing down here. Back to the portal.
I'm being surrounded.
It's fine, use your rolly. They can't hit you when you're rolling. Across the bridge. Don't fall down. Yeah, it's important to use that rolly as often as you can.
Okay.
Alright, now we got a blue orb on the thing, and so you can go to the secret area. Oh fuck. Careful, careful. Keep rolling as often as you can. Alright, they're gone.
I'm happy to I placed down the little void thing, even if it probably didn't do anything.
Oh no, I'm sure it did something. Gathered the little enemies. Now do you want the yellow or do you want the green?
A little bit yellow.
Okay. I recommend like the purple looking item on the first row. That gives you more health and more regeneration.
It looks like a little void, like little thing of space.
Yeah, it's a neural. You know those rock giants that I fought in the first one?
Yeah.
That's what it's from. Ooh, nice. Okay, so don't touch the portal. Don't touch the altar this time, because there's gonna be a portal.
Oh, okay.
So if you touch the altar, we're just going straight into the next area. without going to the bazaar. Portal.
So I just
I got it.
follow
Don't worry.
you. Okay.
Now be careful here, because there's a cliff. Hi, welcome to the bazaar. So
Very
here,
bizarre.
here you can buy a survivor, but you need 10
Oh,
of
cool.
those 10 of those blue coins I told you to pick up. So you probably
I
don't
only
have
got
enough.
one.
Wait,
Very
I
weird.
freed him.
The hell?
Did that unlock it for you?
No, I don't think so.
Well, I
It's
freed
just
them.
everything.
Okay, so here with these things you can trade for
Oh
green
my.
or red. Red being the highest tier. But, you know, since we have select your item, it doesn't matter what's, you know, in here. It's
So I can
basically,
just-
yeah, you just do whatever.
Okay.
But it takes 3 of your white. You know, equivalent exchange and all that alchemy.
Like alchemy.
So, you know, just be sure you don't give more than you want.
Okay. I'm gonna get this weird mask.
Oh, death mark. That
Yes.
will require. That. Oh, here. Let me buy this. Wait a minute. Damn it. I think I bought the wrong thing.
Teddy bear spawn.
Yeah. I was hoping to buy the hell area, but I didn't select it right.
Oh.
Oh well. Are you good?
Yeah.
There's like a little. There's like okay, and there's like a little data. There's like a little information book down in those cliffs down there. If you point your camera down, you stand on the edge and point your camera down towards you. You see all those? Come here to the edge. You see it? Move your right stick to so you point the. Yeah, there's a little book and there's a secret area down there, but we should go to it later after we're. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
To the next area, which I accidentally bought.
Uh,
Yeah, you
well,
go in.
that's
You go in there to pick an area you want to go to, trade items, buy the survivor. Oh no! Warning: the area begins to burn. They're all on fire.
I'm in the water. Like I have rain.
Oh, you were up there. Yeah, this is a new area that was added last update, which is like giant tree, giant forest. If you see statues that have like a little yellow marker above them, that's basically you know, a gambling thing. And you get achievement if you roll 3 times and get nothing.
I can pray to a shrine.
Is it green or?
It's like a purple shrine of combat, and I got hit
Oh,
real bad.
don't hit that unless you're comfortable with fighting things. I'll be up there soon. I'm just checking out what's treasure down here.
On the
There's
way.
like multiple levels in this area. One of them being like the roots.
There's this green thing that keeps coming at me.
Green thing.
It's like a skull.
Oh, that's the greater wisp. Yeah, you want to kill those immediately because they have heavy.
What
Heavy
the
hits.
hell? What the hell?
What?
There's some weird one-eye freaking it kind of looks a little bit like, do you remember that one kid when on Nickelodeon?
Oh, that was the Grove Tender. You're talking about the Grove Tender boss. That's what we fought last time in the last area. But it's now that
Looking
we're on
at
the
me.
now that we're on the 4th stage, bosses just show up. Boss monsters just show up.
Get away from me. They just
Yeah, they
they're
shoot.
looking at me.
Yeah, they shoot chains at you and the little purple thingies, right?
Yeah, I don't like them. For some reason, I keep getting reminded of that one Nick show that I can't place my finger on.
Nick show. Explain.
Nickelodeon, so it had that weird, like it had these weird people, like people wearing these costumes. They often had a segment where it's
Oh,
like they're
I know what
singing
you're talking
a
about. Yo
song.
Gabba Gabba.
Yo Gabba Gabba, that's what it reminds me of. That motherfucking so.
Ah,
I actually did like that show, honestly. There's
here's
a
a
mushroom here.
come here. No, no, don't step on it. It boosts you to an area. Come here. Come use this thingy. See if you get an achievement. So usually with the fourth areas, they have a guaranteed gold chest to show up.
I just offer money here.
Yeah. Gain nothing. Try it again if you have enough money. It keeps raising the price. That should be obvious. Try again.
Third time's charm.
Oh, well, you didn't get the achievement, but look, there's a thingy.
I'm gonna get the teddy bear back.
Oh, look, I gave you another thingy. Here, grab it. Get another teddy bear or whatever you lost.
I don't remember what I lost.
Ah,
I'll get this weird.
Ah, that's a personal shield generator.
Someone's calling me.
Oh,
On
oh,
Can't find my phone. Oh well. Whoever called me can call again later.
just
you know that-
be sure to mute yourself when you pick up.
Oh no.
Come to me. Found a
Yeah,
lockbox
okay.
that you can open. Yeah, you have the key.
Oh yeah. That's key.
Ooh, green item. Lucky.
You get it.
Fuel cell. Oh, this is a roulette chest. Basically, it's like you press the button, you buy it, and then you press the button to stop the item or stop for whatever. What the? Emma.
I just wanted to try it. I like roulettes. What'd you get though? Or did I get
Crowbar.
it? I don't know.
Shows up on the bottom of on your chat box. Ooh, what is this? Healing drone. You may want to buy this.
Come on, little buddy.
So if you see like purple flowers somewhere, that means that's the purple flowers indicate the lucky box. The gold box.
Okay. Cool.
So the portal is down here in this area. Yeah, like you keep going like down into this area. There's the portal. There's also like a bunch of chests and stuff down here.
There was a chest right here that I said I can open. That is just to open.
I mean, if you want to open it, go ahead.
The hell?
Ooh, nice. What was that?
I just got like I survived for a certain
The
amount of
lone
time.
survivor. Oh, a certain amount of time. Nice.
Also, it wouldn't let me open the box. I said I could open the box, but then it said you can't open it anymore. So
Oh, was it like the rusty box?
I don't know. What's this? It's orange.
Oh yeah, it's a equipment thingy.
I got a radar scan.
It shows you where things are on the map if you use it.
I already keep my cube.
You prefer Kirby?
Yeah. I named it
Oh,
Kirby.
I just realized what the air burning thing means. It just means all the enemies are the wisp. It took me that long to figure out. All I've been seeing are wisp and no beetles or anything.
My void is just going after a lot of things. Hello, where are you?
I went up the vines.
Oh, okay.
So we really gotta pee. I'm gonna tuck myself in a corner and go pee.
Okay. I'm gonna just try and survive again. Oh god, no. There's too many wisps coming after me. I will die here.
And I'm back.
I'm being chased by a lot of wisps.
Oh god!
It's a whole swarm of them.
I'm coming. I'm coming. She's being chased. Go. You see the blue arrows on your, like on the screen, right? Those are the drones. Just go to a bunch of drones.
I see a little yellow arrow pointing
Oh
down
yeah,
on the
yellows, yellows. Oh damn it! I need to buy a feather.
What is hurting me now? And there was one behind me. I didn't see one.
Oh, by the way, Emma, it is good to buy a feather with the green stuff, cause it gives you a double jump.
Oh, cool. Everyone can use a double jump.
I see your Kirby ball flying.
Yeah.
I don't see the flowers at all. Doesn't mean they're not here though. They have to be here. There's always a guaranteed, at least one. Well, there is a guaranteed gold chest on the 4th level.
Mhm.
In this level and then the hell level. And the hell level is where we needed to go because I still have the item. And there's another 4th level where there's a bunch of bird enemies. And if you destroy the eggs, there's a mini boss that happens with that. Oh, I'm flying. God, there's so many wisps. Oh, did you just use the blue item?
Yeah, I opened a
Yeah,
Lumapod.
those items are not great. They have goods. They have goods and bads to them. It's up
Well,
to
there's
you.
a-
There's an achievement for not using blue items on the commando, I think. So you might have wasted that, but you know.
Oh well.
I mean, you didn't pick it up yet, so.
Yeah, I haven't. It's just there.
God, the fucking roots on this tree are impossible.
That they are.
The chest is probably at the top of these roots. The only place I can think of this gold chest being is up the top of the tree now. Ooh, I found a chest up here. If you want it.
If I can make it there, I'll get getting killed by these wisps.
On the second oh, it is up here. On the second area, like where you fought the oh hey, there you are.
Hello.
You want to come up here for the red item, or you the basics?
Got a sticky bomb.
What is that for? The basics.
It allows me to have it every time I hit an enemy. It allows a chance for them
No,
to get a sticky.
I know,
Oh.
but I'm talking about the achievement.
I don't know.
I'm gonna get this red item then. Oh, I can't afford it. Emma,
Yeah.
come up the vines. The main tree.
Yeah.
Hi.
Where are you?
Up in the top.
Oh.
See me up
So
here?
right. Oh.
Just the main tree has a one vine that just keeps going up. Follow that. I say these are flowers, but these are really mushrooms.
Alright.
Emma,
Yeah.
where you are, come to the tree. and then just jump onto those vines, or go around to the right side. See if you can find a path.
Right.
Yeah, I'll come down. Me coming down will be a lot easier. Alright,
Okay.
yeah, just go, keep running up. All you have to do is click the left stick. You don't have to hold it. Or do you have the hold option? Left stick, not the right one. Would you like a red item, or?
Yeah, sure.
I would recommend the clover.
Oh, this leaf thingy. The
Yeah.
first one.
Basically, that improves your chances, like with the teddy bear. Stuff like the teddy bear, it boosts the chance to block damage and stuff like that. Like if something has a chance for, like your sticky bombs, your hits have a chance to drop sticky bombs, right?
Yeah.
With that clover, it gives you a better chance to drop sticky bombs.
Cool.
Alright, now come to the bottom of the roots. Or the bottom of the tree.
Ow. I took damage, but okay.
Down here.
I'm at the bottom.
Keep going further. Off the edge, over here.
Okay.
Roll.
Bottom.
You can roll to block some damage. More Grove Tenders. Makes sense because they control Wisp. Alright, 2 green items. There's one on that mushroom right there. Think you can get that, or
Wait, which mushroom?
this mushroom right next to the portal?
Oh,
No, I
there.
can get it.
Okay.
Yeah, I can get it. You can just grab the other one. Fuck, they knocked me off. Another jump. Yeah, if I'm totally honest, getting a double jump is more important than yeah, they're going. You wanna we can hang out here after the portal's done charging. Just gotta kill the enemies. No more enemies will spawn. You wanna hang out and like grab pizza in the meantime?
Yeah, I'll go. I'll
The
go
pizza
grab.
is here.
Oh, cool. Though I technically can't eat pizza still.
Oh, no pizza? I'm gonna grab pizza then.
I'll just grab the rest of my potato stuff.